Funds.com/news.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system. Testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This includes this emergency alert system.
Yeah, the old 2021, pretty much.
This is a test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Listening to KALI-FM Santa Ana, Los Angeles.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This has been a test of the emergency alert system.